welcome to today's maths class, and today we'll do large numbers. So in this chapter we will learn about the large numbers. Clear? So first we'll start with the warm-up activity. Aman, Nakul and Shaurya are cousins. They went to a toy shop to purchase toys with number with their parents. So Aman, Nakul and Soumya, they are cousins and they went to a toy shop. For what? To purchase toys with the numbers with their parents. So Aman has 3, 2 and 6 toy numbers. And Nakul has 5, 7, 8 toy numbers and Soumya has 1, 4, 9 toy numbers. So make the largest and smallest number using the numbers of Aman and write their number names. So here it is Aman. So we have to make the largest numbers, that is 632, 632. So largest number we will write 632, THIRTYTWO. Smallest number, that will be 236. 236. So to form a largest number with the given digit, we will arrange the number in descending order, and to form the smallest number, we will arrange the digits in ascending order. Clear? Next, 4-digit numbers. Add 1 to the 1000, it gives you a new number, 1001. If we add 1 to 1000, the new number will be 1001, and it is written as 1001, 1001. And the similar way, if we add 1 to the 1001, it will give you next number, that is 1002. It is written in the digit 1002, 1002 and so on. So here are the numbers given us. These are the number and number names. 1000. If we add 1 to it, we will get 1001. If we add 1 to 1001, we will get the next number 1002 and so on. Like this, we have written here the different numbers. Clear? Keep adding and form the new numbers and their number names as well. Next, we will take an example. Write in numbers 3597. We have to write in number 3000. Clear? 597. This is our number. Clear? Next, practice time 1.1. Write the numerals for each of the following numbers. So we have to write the numeral. Number name is given 7595. 7595. Clear? So that will be the numeral for the given number names. Like this, you will write the numerals for the given number names. Clear? Next, write the number name for the following numbers. So here we have to write the number name. The number is 7053. So we'll write 7 SEVENTOUSAND 1000. 53 FIFTY 50 and THREE 3. Clear? So like this, you will write the number names and do all the questions of this exercise. Next, representation of number on abacus. Now we will learn how to represent the given number on abacus. So first we will read about abacus. What is abacus? Abacus is an instrument having the wooden base and some vertically standing iron rod. So here you can see this is an abacus. It has a wooden base and these are the sticks, like here. These are the standing iron rods. Clear? So whenever we write the numbers and these vertical rods that will represent ones, tens, 100,000 and so on. So from right to left, the rod represent ones place, second rod represent tens, third will represent 100, fourth will represent 1000 place. Like here, this rod is for ones, this is for tens, this is for 100 and this is for 1000. Clear? Now we'll take an example. Represent 4052 on the abacus. So we have to represent this number 4052 on abacus in the numeral 4052. So which one is the digit on ones place? Start from the right hand side, ones, tens, 100 and 1000. So ones place the digit is 2, so we'll place 2 beads. Clear? According to the given number, we'll place the beads. So now move to the tens place. The digit is 5, so 5 beads. 100, the digit is 0, so no beads on 100 rod, and 4 beads on 1000 rod. Clear? So this will represent the number, our given number 4052. Clear? Now you know how to represent the number on abacus. It's very easy. Next, practice time 1.2. Read the number on the abacus and write the numeral and number names. So now what we have to do? We have to count the beads and write the numeral and their number name. So how many beads? 1 bead, so we'll write here 1. Now move to the tens, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 beads, so we'll write here 4. 2 beads, so number 2. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So our number is 5241. So we'll write the number name 5200. HUNDRED 141. Clear? So you'll practice all the questions of this exercise. Next is skip counting of numbers. Now we'll learn the skip countings. Observe the following numbers carefully. So 500, then 505, 510, 515, 520, so on. So and it shows that the next number can be found by adding 5 to the previous number. So in this counting, we can see what is the pattern following here. Every time if we add 5 to the previous number, we'll get the next number. So this is skip counting. This is called the skip counting, and this is skip counting by 5s. Now we'll take an example. Counting by tens, write 5 numerals starting from 5700. So counting by tens means skip counting by 10. Every time we will write the skip 9 numbers and write the 10th numbers, or we'll add 10 to the previous number and get the next number. So first number is 5700. If we add 10 to it, we'll get 5710. Again, if we add 10 to 5710, we'll get the next number, that is 5720, 5730, 5740, like this. Clear? Next, practice time 1.3. Counting by twos. Write the next 5 numeral counting from. So counting by twos, we have to add 2 every time to previous number to get the next number. So 5725, if we get 2 to it, we get 5727, then 5729, 5731, 5733, 5735. Clear? Next, counting by tens, write the next 5 numbers starting from. So we have to add 10 every time to the previous number to get the next number. So start from the 3451. If we add 10 to it, get 3461, 3471, 3481, 3491, then 3000 and 510. Clear? Next, counting by hundreds, write the next 5 numerals starting from, we have to start from the 4315. We have to add 100 every time. So, 415, 4515, 4615, 4715, 4815. Every time we are adding 100 to the previous number to get the next number. Next is counting by 7, write the next 5 numerals starting from 4670. So, every time we will add 7 and we will get the next number. So, 4677, 4684, 4691, like this we will write the next numbers. Clear? Next, observe the pattern and write the next 3 numerals. So, first we have to observe the pattern. What is the pattern following here? 1210, 1220, 1230. So, pattern is here. Every time we are adding 10 to the previous number to get the next number. So, next 1240, 1250, 1260. Clear? Next is place value of different thousands period digit in the numerals. So, the place value chart or the place value table of 4-digit number. This is the place value chart of 4-digit numbers. Start from the ones, then tens, 100 and 1000. So, this is the period for ones. It includes 3-digit, ones, tens and 100 and then 1000 period. Clear? Take a number 3247. So, we have taken a number that is 3247. In the numeral 3247, 7 is at ones place. So, place value of 7 is 7. Now, move to the next, that is tens place. 4 is at tens place. So, place value of 4 is 4 tens, that is 40. Next, the number at 100 place 2. 2 is at 100 place. So, place value of 2 is 200. And the number 3, that is a 1000 place. So, what will be the place value of 3? That will be 3000. Clear? So, now you know. So, in the given number, the place value of different digit 7, the place value is 7, place value of 4 is 40, 2 is 200 and 3 is 3000. Clear? Next is face value of a digit in the numerals. So, now we will read about the face value. The face value of digit in the numeral does not change from place to place. So, it does not depend upon the place, in which place the digit is in the given number. In the numeral, the face value of the digit is same at different places. For example, the face value of 4 in the numeral 7541 is 4. The face value of 4 in the numeral 7485 is also 4. The face value of the given number or any number is the number itself. Clear? Next, practice time 1.4. Write the place value of the encircled digit in the given numeral. So, we have to write the place value of 6. 6 is which place? Ones, tens, 100, 1000. 6000. Here, the 5 is at 100 place. So, place value is 500. HUNDREDS, and this is the place value of 5. Clear? Next, arrange the following numeral in the place value chart. So, our number is 7412. So, start from the right hand side. First number 2 is at ones place, 1 at tens place, 4 at 100 place and 7 at 1000 place. Next number 1059. So, once the digit at ones place, that is 9, 5, 0 and 1. This is how we will arrange the number in place value chart. Clear? Next, write the place value of each digit of the numeral 7319 in the following table. So, 9 at ones place. So place value of 9 will be 9 because 9 is at ones place. Tens 1 is at tens place, so place value will be 10. 3 at hundred place, so 300, and 7 at thousand place, so 7000. This is how we write the place value of the given digits. Next, encircle the correct numeral 1 has been done for you as an example. So 4403 ones. That means the number is 4403. Next is 7000 plus 900. So that is equals to 7900. This is the right answer, first one. Clear? Next, which of the following statements are true? The place value of 4 in the numeral 3417 is 40. No. The place value is 400. So that is false. Clear? Next, write the face value of the encircled digit in the given numeral. So you know the face value of any digit is the number itself. So here the face value of 5 is 5. Clear? Next, expanded form of the numerals. Now we will learn how to write the expanded form of given numeral. The sum of the place value of the digit of the numeral, that is called the expanded form. When we write the number in the form of sum of their place value, that is the expanded form of given number. We will take an example here. Write the numeral 1235 in expanded form. So we have to write the given numeral in expanded form. So place value of 1 is 1000 plus 200 plus 30 plus 5. So that is 1000 plus 200 plus 3 tens plus 5 ones. That is the expanded form of given number. Clear? Next, practice time 1.5. Write the expanded form of 4391. So we know that what is the expanded form? Write the number in the sum of the place value of given digit. So expanded form of this number will be 4000 plus 300 plus 90 plus 1. Clear? Next, write in short form. So now we have to, here we given expanded form, we have to write in short form. 4000 plus 500 plus 60 plus 8. Short form 4568. Clear? Next, fill in the missing numbers. 4517. So 4000, 500, 110 and 7 ones. Clear? We have to write in the form of expanded form like we have done earlier. We have to write the number in expanded form. Next, write the numeral and the number name for each of the following written in expanded form. So first we will write the numeral and the number. 3000, 500, 710 and 8 ones. So our number is 3578. Clear? So we will write 3578. Clear? Next, predecessor and successor of number. Pre means before. What comes before? Predecessor of number, the number that comes just before the given number, that is the predecessor of given number. For example, 5137 is the predecessor of 5138 and 7050, that is the predecessor of 7051. So predecessor means what comes just before that given number, that is the predecessor. Next, successor of the number. The number that comes just after the given number, that is called the successor of the given number. For example, 1250, that is the successor of 1249, and 5688, that is the successor of 5687. Things to remember: every number except 0 has a predecessor. So all the number have predecessor except 0. 0 does not have its predecessor. If 1 is added to the number, we get its successor. If we add 1 to the given number, we will get its successor. For example, 321 plus 1, that is 322, that is the successor of 321. If we subtract 1 from the given number, we will get its predecessor. For example, 4215 minus 1, that is 4240, that is the predecessor of given number. Clear? Next, practice time 1.6. Write the successor of each of the following number. Successor means we have to add 1, we will get the next number. So, successor will be 7516. That will be the successor of 7515. Clear? Next, write the predecessor of each of the following number. Means we have to subtract 1 or we have to write the number that comes just before the given number. So, 9215. What will be the predecessor? 9240. Clear? Next, if 1 is added to the given number, it gives its successor. Clear? So, you will practice all the questions of this exercise. Next is comparison of number. Now, we will learn how to compare the numbers. Which one is greater, which one is smaller, or are they equal? So, by comparing, we can know that. Comparison of the numbers means to find out which number is greater or smaller out of the two numbers. So, there are some rules which we have to follow while comparing the numbers. So, rule of the comparison of two numbers. Rule number 1. When two numbers have unequal number of digits, if the number of digits are not equal, then if two numbers have unequal number of digits, the number with the more number of digits will be greater than the other number. For example, which is greater, 5061 or 909? So, the number of digit in 5061, that is 4, and 909, that is 3. So, 4-digit number will be greater than 3-digit number. So, obviously 5061 will be greater than 909. Next, when two numbers have equal number of digits, if the number of digits is equal, how will you compare? Rule number 1. Assume that we have the numeral two numbers. Suppose the number has 4 digits. Compare the digit at 1000 place in the numeral. So, start, if the number of digits are equal, start from the leftmost digit. The number with the greater digit at 1000 place will be greater. For example, compare 8715 and 6059. Both are 4-digit numbers. Now, so we will start from the leftmost digit. Here it is 8 at 1000 place and here it is 6. 8 is greater than 6. So, 8715 will be greater than 6059. Next, rule number 2. When the number of digits in two numbers are the same, digit at 1000 place. If the number of digits are same and the digit at 1000 place are same, then we will compare the digit at 100 place. For example, compare 5607 and 5815. Both are 4-digit number. So, digit at 1000 place are same. Here it is 5 and 5. So, now we will move to the next number. So, that is the digit at 100 place. So, here it is 6 and here it is 8. Clear? Now, 8 is greater than 6 or 6 is less than 8. So, we can say 5607 is less than 5815. Now, rule number 3. In two numbers, if the digit at 1000 place are same and also the digit at 100 place are same, now we will compare the digit at 10th place. The number with the greater digit at 10th place will be greater. For example, which one will be greater, 2417 or 2451? So, both have 4-digit number, both are 4-digit numbers. Start comparing from the leftmost digit. 2 and 2. Digit at 1000 place are same. Digit at 100 place is also same. Now, compare the digit at 10th place. Here it is 1 and here it is 5. So, 1 is less than 5. So, 2417, that will be less than 2451. Rule number 4. If the digit or two numbers at 1000 place are same, 100 place are same, 10th place are same, then we compare the digit at 1st place. For example, compare 3125 and 3121. So, both are 4-digit number. The digit at 1000 place are same, 100 place are same, 10th place are same. So, we will compare the digit at 1st place. So, here in first number the digit at 1st place is 5 and next number is 1. 5 is greater than 1. So, we can say 3125 will be greater than 3121. Clear? Next, comparison of more than two numbers. Now we learn how to compare more than two numbers. When the number have unequal number of digits, if the number of digits are unequal, then the number with the largest number of digits will be the greatest. Clear? For example, which is smallest? Among these numbers, which one is smallest? So we will count the number of digits. This is a 4-digit number, 2-digit number, 3-digit number. Obviously, that number 73, which is a 2-digit number, which have least number of digits, that will be the smallest one. Clear? Next, when the number have the equal number of digits, if the number of digits are equal, how will you compare? Example, which is the smallest? Among these, which one is the smallest? So we will arrange the number in place value chart like this and start comparing. We have to tell the smallest one. So all are 4-digit numbers. So start comparing from the digit at 1000 place. Here it is 5, 7, 9 and 2. So 2 is the smallest digit, therefore 2134, that will be the smallest number. Next, arrangement of number in increasing and decreasing order. So now we learn how to arrange the number in increasing and decreasing order. Now we'll take an example. Arrange the following number in decreasing or descending order. Here the numbers are given, we have to arrange it in descending order. Solution, first we'll write the number into place value chart so that we can compare the numbers, because we have to arrange the number in descending order. Descending means big to small. Start from the largest number and move to the smallest number. Find the number with the largest number of digit. So here you can see these two are 4-digit number, and here the digit 1000 place is 5 and here it is 4. So 5327, that will be the largest number. So that will be at first place, then second place, then third, fourth, and the smallest one is 72. So this is how we'll arrange the number. First 5327, then 4014, then 898, then 525, and last number is 72. This is the descending order of the number. Next, practice time. Compare the two numbers and put the greater than, less than or equal suitably in the box. So here we can see both are 4-digit numbers. So we will compare the digit 1000 place. Here it is 5 and here it is 4. So this will be greater. So we will put the sign of greater. Clear? Like this we will compare the number and put the appropriate sign. Next, which is the smallest number? So you can see in the given number, this is 4-digit number, this is the 4-digit number, this is also 4-digit number, and 872, that is 3-digit number. So that will be the smallest. Clear? Next, which is the greatest number? So we have to find the greatest number. So here we can see all are 4-digit numbers. So we'll compare the digit at 1000 place. So here it is 4, here it is 4, 8 and 8. So now 4 is less than 8. So we'll compare between these two numbers. So 1000 place digit is same 8. So we'll compare the digit at 100 place. Here it is 4 and here it is 5. So this will be the greatest number, 8567. Clear? Next, write each of the following number in ascending order. Ascending order means increasing order. Start from the smallest one. So in all these numbers, here you can see this is a 3-digit number, this is 3-digit number, 3-digit. Rest are 4-digit number. So in 3-digit number, 421, then 425, then 857, then 5093, and the greatest is 5094. That is the increasing order, ascending order. Next, write each of the following numbers in descending order. So we have to start from the greatest number. So we'll compare the numbers, we'll put them in place value chart so we can easily compare the number. So start from the greatest number, that is 8000 194. Next, 6423, then 5694, 995, and the least number is 872. That is the decreasing order. Clear? Next, round of the number. Sometimes we do not write the exact number or tell the exact number. Sometimes what we will do? We don't tell the exact number. We just give an estimate idea that is near to that number. We just tell the round of number. For example, about 160 students participate in a drawing competition. So there, a drawing competition, we have told that there is 160 students that have participated. It may be more than that or just less than that. It may be 163 or it could be 156. Similarly, if we say that 60,000 people came to see the football match, it does not mean that it is exactly 60,000. We are just giving an idea. It could be more than that or less than that, but near to that number. We round off the number and estimate the figure. It is easy to write and learn round off numbers. There are certain rules to round off the number to nearest tens, nearest 100 and nearest 1000. So now we will learn how to round off the numbers. Next is round off to nearest tens. Now we will learn how to round off number to nearest tens. Round off 24 and 28 to nearest tens. 24, that is nearer to 20 compared to 30. Clear? 24 you can see that is more nearer to 20 than 30. So 24 round off add to the nearest 10 will be 20. And 28, that is nearer to 30 compared to 20. So 28 will be round off to 30. Rule number 1. If ones place digit is less than 5, then replace the ones place digit by 0 and keep other digit as they are. Like here, 543. So we have to round off this number to nearest 10. So we'll see the digit at ones place. Here it is 3, which is less than 5. So what we'll do? We will make the digit at ones place 0 and there is no change in other digits. So 543 will round up to 540. Rule number 2. If ones place is 5 or more than 5, if the digit at ones place is 5 or more than 5, then what we'll do? We'll increase the tens place digit by 1 and replace the ones place digit by 0 and keep the other digit as they are. Like 645, the digit at ones place, that is 5. So what we'll do? We'll increase the digit at tens place by 1. So it will be round off to 650. Clear? Next, rounding off to nearest 100. 164 and 246. We have to round off to nearest 100. We can see by this number step that 164, that is nearer to 200 compared to 100. So 164 will be round off to 200. Next is 246. 246 is nearer to 200 compared to 300. So 246 will be round off to 200. Rule number 1. If the tens place is digit is less than 5, then replace the digit at tens place by tens and ones by 0 and keep the other digit as they are. For example, 837. So we have to round off to 100. We'll see the digit at tens place. This is 3, which is less than 5. So what we'll do? We will replace the digit once at tens place by 0 and there is no change in other digits. So round off to 800. Rule number 2. If the tens place is digit 5 or more than 5, so what will do? We will increase the digit at 100 place by 1 and replace the other digit like tens and ones by 0. So, for example, 758. So, here the digit at tens place is 5. So, what will do? We will replace the digit at ones and tens place by 0 and increase the digit at 100 place by 1. So, it will round off to 800. Clear? Next, practice time. Round of the following numbers to the nearest 10. 643. So digit at first place is 3, which is less than 5. So round off to 640. Clear? Next, round off the following number to nearest 100. Nearest 100, that means we have to see the digit at tens place. So here the digit at tens place is 6, which is more than 5. So the digit at 100 place will increase by 1 and rest of the digit will be 0. Clear? Next, revision exercise. Write the number names. 4157. So we'll write 4 FOUR 4000 THOUSAND 1000. 157 1 HUNDRED 100. 57. Clear? Next, write the numerals. 8953. 8953. Clear? Next, represent the following number on the abacus. 4058. Suppose this is abacus, ones, tens, hundred and thousand. So our number is 4058. So 8 beat here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5 beats at tens place, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No beats at hundred place and 4 beats at thousand place. So this is how we'll represent the number. Clear? Next, count by 5s and write the next 4 numbers starting from. Count by 5 means we have to add 5 every time. 7045, we have to start from this. 7050, 7055, 7060, 65 like this. Next, count by 50s and write the next 4 numbers starting from. We have to start from 1175. Every time we have to add the 50. So 5, 1225, 1275. Like this, we'll keep adding 50 to the previous number and get the next number. Next, write the place value and face value and period for each of the encircled digit. So here the encircled digit is 7. So if we talk about the place value, that will be 70 because it is tens place. Face value, that is same as the number, that means 7, and the period, that will comes under ones period. Clear? Next, write in expanded form. So 4340 expanded form we have done earlier also. How to write? According to the sum of their place value, 4000 plus 300 plus 10 plus 4. Clear? So like this you will do all the question because we have done it earlier. These questions, this exercise for your practice. So practice all the questions of this exercise. Next is multiple choice questions. Take the correct answer. The numeral for the number 4186. 4186. C is the correct option here. Clear? So practice all the questions of this exercise. Here we end the chapter. I hope you understand it well. Now to practice it.